engine that won the war. The World War II victory in the skies over the Pacific Ocean was based mainly on the success of superior fighter planes, such as the F-6F Hellcat and F-4U Corsair. These two fighter planes were powered by the air-cooled Pratt & Whitney R-2800 double WASP radial engine introduced in 1939. These fighters capitalized on its 2,000 horsepower and accelerated the Corsair to more than 400 miles per hour in level flight. The first production fighter plane, making it the fastest fighter in the sky. This amazing engine enabled more dynamic fighter planes to reach the U.S. Naval Fleet in 1923 and helped defeat lighter Japanese fighters, like the dreaded Mitsubishi A6M, known as the Zero, and the Kawasaki Ki-61 Heian, commonly called the Tony. This engine also earned a reputation